Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make Russian dressing. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back and thanks a lot for watching. Like I said, we're going to be making Russian dressing, so let's drop down here and see what our ingredients are. We got half a cup of chili sauce, 2 cups of mayo, half a green pepper finely diced, 1 stalk of celery finely diced, 1 tablespoon of pimento finely diced, half a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, half a tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of prepared horseradish, 1 tablespoon of pickle relish, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, and 1 teaspoon of mustard powder. Let's start mixing it up. Alright, we'll go ahead and add our mayonnaise first. We'll go ahead and throw our peppers and our celery in there. I'm just going to fold those in. Get our chili sauce. And then start our mustard powder, our relish, horseradish, paprika, garlic or onion powder, Worcestershire, lemon juice, and our pimentos. I'm going to go ahead and use our whisk. Alright, got a big bowl full there. I'm going to divide it up into a smaller bowl. We're going to present it with some onion rings. Go ahead and enjoy these pictures, and we'll come back and we'll taste it. Alright, let's give these a taste test. These beautiful shots of these onion rings with the Russian dressing. So, give it a taste now. You can see how thick that is and creamy. Just sticking to that onion ring. Let's give it a try. A lot of different flavors in there. First off, the mayonnaise, getting hit with that relish and that horseradish gives it a little bit of zing. You can taste the onion powder and the paprika, smokiness of that paprika. Give it another shot. Green pepper is coming through, I can taste that. But I think it would be best to let this chill for like an hour or so, or maybe overnight, to really bring out the flavor. But even with that horseradish in there, it is not hot. It's just got a lot of blended flavor. It really is good. I'm sure it's good on a salad too, but who's ever going to know? Try it with onion rings. It's really good. That recipe is down in the description box or in the first pinned comment. Don't forget to check that out. You can share that and you can print it off. But this is really good. This is Russian dressing. You can keep it in a sealed container. I'm going to keep it in this jar. Keep it nice and sealed in a refrigerator. Probably up to 3 weeks. Should be good. So, but alright, thanks a lot for watching. We made some Russian dressing. I hope you liked it. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you again real soon. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen. Well, let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping from the soul kitchen.